Yeah, so an automated service agreement is just that. These pieces, it's a service agreement that has a tie-in to the data from the machinery that drives the automatic service of that machine, performed by individuals called out when the machine requires that service. Today, similar to when you buy an automobile, you're gonna have a manual. In that manual, there's gonna be a service table that's going to explain both the time period and the usage period and the service functions that are required. You need to change your oil every 3,000 miles or 3 months. You need to change your coolant once a year or every 24,000 miles, so on and so forth. Machinery is no different, other than it's substantially more complicated. There's a lot more service points. There's a lot more things that need to be done on a schedule. And today, that's being managed in each facility by the maintenance department. You're really trusting that those maintenance department organizations are keeping track of that and keeping track of the runtime of that machine in an organized way. That data all exists on the machine. That data could all be brought back to a dashboard, is brought back to a dashboard, and can be used not just to let people know that service is required, but automate the process by which that service is called, delivered, and paid for.